Hello, ghosts and goblins. Me again, Cute Claws with Kelly. I just wanted to do a quick video of some exciting nail mail that I received recently. So this will be some stamping plates from Maniology, the Sparkle&Co October sub bag, and what's the last thing? Oh, this Candi Skin Care cuticle oil set that I got. So jumping right into it here, this is the I Want It All sub bag from Sparkle&Co. This is my first sub bag that I'm ever getting with them, and I have to say I'm really super impressed, and I'm so glad that I decided to sign up for the October bag because I love Halloween. You guys know this, and I just loved everything that came in this. So there's different levels of sub bags. They range in price from lower to higher, and then the amount of stuff that you get, the amount of goodies that you get ranges as well. So I'm just showing you here all these different gel polish colors that it came with, and I am really excited to use these. I love that they gave me this red color here because I don't have anything like this, and this just is perfect. So I'm really going to enjoy that. They gave me this matte top coat, which is awesome. I can't wait to give that a try as well. Moving right along, the next thing that they gave me was a little treat. I didn't get any tricks, but I got a treat. And these are like chocolate little balls that have like pop rocks in the middle. They are so yummy. Me and my daughter have been really enjoying those, if you can't already tell. And then getting into some of the other things that were in this very beautiful purple bag. This is where the dip powders are at. So the first thing here is this holographic flakes, which I've never used before, but I tried them out on a swatch and didn't want to show you that just yet because I do have a mani planned that I'll be using those. And then there's this regular nail polish that's also holographic. And then getting into these lovely dip powders. This one here was kind of special as part of the I Want It All sub bag. And then we've got these other ones that I think come in many of the other sub bags. So again, it just depends on the level of bag that you decide to get. And I will show you the swatch sticks that these all came with here in just a bit. So let me just hush and let you watch me pull out the rest of these powders. Okay, so moving right along, then we have the dip liquid of the month, which this is their glossy coat number 4 2.0, so it's like a little better. It has some better qualities to it than the original glossy top. I don't really use that, so maybe I'll try to see if I can use it as a base instead, because I like my gel polish top coat. And then, yep, this is the little bag that all these wonderful little goodies came in. They gave some witchy like little cutouts here, which I just adored. Gotta find something to do with these, but for now they're just gonna live on my nail desk and remind me it's Halloween. And then here's this cute little sticker that they threw in there. And then this is like a discount coupon type of deal. I had to kind of cut the video a little bit here because I can't give away what my discount code is obviously on my YouTube video, but again, that I think has to do with the level of sub bag that I got. And then this is like a fancy little card that kind of describes every single thing that's in the bag, and it also talks about a contest for submitting a mani by a certain date on their Facebook page, and then they'll pick some winners. So I'm definitely going to be doing a mani. Can't tell you what it is yet. I will film it. That I plan to enter the contest with. And I want to use a lot of these things that came in this sub bag, obviously. So been toying around with some ideas. I think I got it figured out, so that will be the next video that I upload. But here I'm just kind of going through the swatches on all of those dip powders I already showed you, to show you what they look like on the swatch sticks. And I really appreciate that Sparkle&Co does this. I mean, I can do swatch sticks myself, but it's definitely one less thing that I have to do if they already provide them to me. So this is something that I normally will do, is swatch out all my colors, whether they're gel colors or dip powder colors or stamping polish colors. I have swatches and, you know, little wheels of everything that I've got, so I can quickly pick what I want to use when I'm sitting down at my nail desk and trying to figure out what my next mani is going to be. So I super appreciate these swatch sticks coming in this package. So this is everything that came in the sub bag. A lot of stuff. I definitely feel like it's more than worth the money that you spend for the sub bag. And I'm excited to see what November's sub bag is going to look like. So moving right along, we're going to now get into the Candi Skin Care. So she always gives one of these little cards in the packaging, a little thank you, hope you made my day, I hope I make yours. And yes, you always make my day. Nail mail always makes my day. Love this little sticker. She always puts one of these in there too, and just love that this one's very fall, and you know, with the pumpkin. And what I ordered is the Fall Treats Trio, and so it came with this caramel apple cuticle oil. This next one is a pumpkin marshmallow latte, and then the last one is nutty chai. So these all smell wonderful. I think my favorite's the caramel apple. That's actually the reason why I bought this set. And that's the one that my daughter loved the most too, as she stole some from the jar right away to put into her little cuticle pen applicator, which is fine. But really great oil for your cuticles. I don't use anything else, and my cuticle candy collection is definitely growing. Okay, so now on to Maniology. So if you watched the upload from earlier today, you already saw some of these stamping plates, but I just wanted to show you all of the ones that I got. So this right here is the Ouija board stamping plate. I used this for the letters on the mani that I just uploaded today, the Once Bitten mani. But I'm excited to do like a full-on Ouija board mani with it. This one is like a mix of Stranger Things and Alice in Wonderland. So you can kind of see from the designs there. I bought it for the Stranger Things, of course, because if you haven't watched that show on Netflix, man, where have you been? You need to get it together and watch it. This is another plate, same thing, Alice in Wonderland and Stranger Things. So I really like this. And I had some pictures at the beginning of the video where I did a little gel polish mani on my niece, and I used some of those stamps. This is like a zombie and Frankenstein and Freddy Krueger and Jason stamping plate. So love all of those. Can't wait to use that. This one is, again, you already saw, this is the vampire stuff, and then some Edgar Allan Poe type things on here. So really had a good time using that one with the Once Bitten mani. And then this one is kind of a bunch of stuff. So I used this one for the blood spatter, but we've got some brains on here, some ghosts, some bats, spider webs, kind of all the traditional Halloween stuff. This last one I got for the mummy, but I'm really happy that it has like the pumpkin stuff on it that you can like layer. And then also like the pets, like the kitties and the doggies that are like all bones. I think that's really cute. So those are all the plates that I got from Maniology. So I just wanted to share with you all. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.